This is the video inspection of the 1995 Tsugami S25. This is basically just a walk around of the machine. We currently have a board that's out for either repair or replace. Once that board's back in, we can get a video inspection of the machine running. And from what I hear, it's a very nice running machine. Just had some small board issue that they wanted to get fixed. But it's got the Fanuc control. You can tell by looking at the keypad's very clean. That's usually a good indication. Inside and out, this machine came in pretty clean. Got a nice clear window there. Go ahead and look inside the machine a little bit. Gives you a pretty good indication. It's really clean. And we'll go ahead and take a walk around this backside here. And they put a clear plexiglass backing on here. Looks like they had some kind of filter mist system on here. But overall, machine, like I said, very clean. Here's the and you got the Fanuc drives here. Once again, you know, the new board's being replaced. We will guarantee the machine to be in running condition before it leaves. We'll also get a video of it running. Here's all the manuals for it. Have a nice collection of some collets here that are going to be coming with the machine. Some wrenches and so forth here, but all this right here is going to be coming with the machine. And we'll take a walk and take a look at the bar feed coming with the machine. And this is the Bkwrkg Boss 325 bar feed that will be coming with the Tsugami S25. Real nice shape. Go ahead and open it up here and take a look on the inside. Shut that nice and easy there. Back around on the back side there is some foot pads and all the, you know, the equipment that comes with it. And then we'll go take a look at the chip conveyor that comes with this machine as well. Okay, so this is the chip conveyor. It's a Mayfran that's going to be coming with the Tsugami S25. It appears to be in nice shape. And this concludes the video inspection for the 1995 Tsugami S25.